The first chapter from your History and Civics book of grade 6. The name of the chapter is The Mesopotamian Civilization. It is under the River Valley Civilization. So, first we need to understand what is the meaning of the term civilization. Civilization is an advanced stage or system of social development. So after you know that there was primitive humans, and those who used to live in the forest, they used to roam from one place to another in search of food. Slowly people started becoming civilized. They started to settle down. They started to produce their own foods like agriculture. They started cultivating foods. They started building up towns and cities. They started making the towns planned. They started putting on the clothes. These were the developments, and were the features of civilization. Not only that, in the civilized people made their language, okay, like we are speaking now. So languages got developed, the governing bodies, laws, then crafts, skills, scripts means they started writing in their own languages, maybe sign language or alphabetical or numerical. They started developing all this. So all these are part of civilization. During the Bronze Age, areas around the Indus Valley in the Indian continent, the Nile Valley in Egypt, the valleys of Tigris and Euphrates in Mesopotamian, and the valley of Huang He, or often pronounced as Huang Ho, and Changjiang in China had become centers of civilizations. So in the entire world they are telling us the pockets, which are the areas where this civilization got developed. Why these areas got developed? The earliest civilizations depend on river banks. So beside the river they started building their civilization because they wanted the supply of water. So river banks became the main attraction for this kind of civilizations. There was abundant water supply to support large settlements. Land was fertile for growing plenty of crops, and the river was acting, or river was used as means of transport also. So why? There are three main reasons. One is land is fertile because they were doing the agricultural work, so fertile land is very much needed. Next is water supply needed, and the third is it was means of transport also. The Mesopotamian civilization, location and origin. Where is it located? Okay, Mesopotamia, which in Greek means the land between two rivers. So it is, they were not saying it about a particular place, but later on we can understand they are saying about a place. But Mesopotamia in Greek term, it means land between two rivers. Here they are saying us about the Tigris and Euphrates. So Tigris and Euphrates, between that there was west part of the Asia, and these two rivers run parallel, means side by side to each other, overflowing their banks during flood and depositing alluvial silt along the lower reaches of the plain. This means that when the river was getting overflowed by the water, when it was heavy rainfall, these rivers used to get overflow and flood used to take place. That time the river used to deposit their soil there. Those soils were alluvial silt, and it is very fertile, and plants will grow there, or cultivation can be done there because it is very fertile in nature. The earliest and the most advanced urban civilization that flourished on the lower valley of Euphrates is known as Sumerian civilization. On the northwest side of Sumer were regions called Babylonia and Akkad, and the highlands in the north were called Astria. Around 3500 BCE, the Sumerians developed the world's first civilization. This civilization flourished for about 1500 years. Okay, and various other civilizations such as Babylonia, Astria civilization rose and fell in this region. Okay, so Mesopotamian civilization was there, and Sumerian civilization existed for long time. Mesopotamian is called the cradle and grave of many civilizations. Okay, cradle and grave. So many civilizations came and went, but Mesopotamian was existing for a very long time. Okay, there are many town plans. There are many. What are the town plans? The discovery of Sumerian city of Ur, that is Ur. Okay, Ur tells us how the people of early Mesopotamian lived. These cities were not as well planned as Harappan cities. There is Harappan civilization that is beside the Indus Valley river Indus. They grew up the Harappan civilization. That civilization was much more developed. They were having much more planned cities. Okay, excavations show that the city was divided into three main parts: the sacred area, the walled city, the outer town. The sacred area had the temple tower or ziggurat. So they are dividing their city into three different sections. One is the sacred. Sacred means where they're having the temple tower or ziggurat. It was a patronage god, and the local gods were having small temples. Okay, but this was temple tower. It was big. Next, they are saying this area also had storehouses and offices. People lived in walled city and in the outer town. Okay, in the walled city and outer town, people existed there. This area had the storehouses and offices. Houses were built along the streets. Each house had a central courtyard with room around it. Architectures. There were different kind of architectures also in this area. The ancient Mesopotamians introduced architectural forms such as arcs, columns, domes, and vaults in the construction of the buildings. Their temple towers were monumental structures made from sun baked bricks. Okay, they used sun baked bricks. There were many storied, high, and well decorated. They were many storied, like us we have now, not that like 50, 40, not like that, at least 4, 5, 6 were there. Okay, there were many storied, high, and were decorated with tiles, precious stones, and marbles. So there were temples also, schools, and then trade centers, all these were there. The Mesopotamian architects also built big cities, canals, and dams. The Hanging Garden of Babylon, one of the seven wonders of the ancient world, are a brilliant specimen of the Mesopotamian civilization. So in the next video we'll know about the society, occupation, and many more of the Mesopotamian civilization.